To get started with Prestashop, begin by opening a web browser and typing Prestashop into the search bar. The official website, prestashop.com, should be one of the first options to appear. Click on this link and then select the Get Started button. This will take you to a page where you can choose between the free and paid versions of Prestashop. Once you've installed and downloaded the platform, follow the provided steps to set it up. Upon completion, you'll have access to your store's dashboard, which is located on the left-hand side and features various sections, including sell orders, catalog, customers, customer service, and stats. The improved tab offers additional options, such as modules, design, shipping, payment, international, and marketing. To customize your store's appearance, navigate to the design section, where you can find theme and logo settings, as well as options for catalog, email, page positions, and image settings. Within the theme and logo section, you can configure your page layouts, access advanced customization options, and adapt your store to different languages. You can also upload your own logo and choose from various themes. Although some themes may only be available with a paid version of Prestashop. Alternatively, you can visit the themes catalog to explore more options. By following these steps, you can set up and customize your Prestashop store.